We Bengalis have a special knack for taking simple, everyday dishes and turning them into something unforgettable, especially when seafood is involved. One such gem from our kitchen is Jackfruit Prawn Curry, where the meaty texture of jackfruit meets the juicy goodness of prawns. We are starting with fresh prawns, cleaned, deshelled, and deveined. Once that's done, sprinkle a bit of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. This not only seasons the prawn but also helps get rid of any fishy smell. Give it a quick mix and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then heat up some mustard oil in the pan. It adds the unmistakably Bengali aroma. Toss in the marinated prawns and fry them on high heat for about 2 minutes. Prawns cook super fast, so as soon as they turn golden, take them out and set them aside. Next, in the same pan, add some diced potatoes. Fry them on high heat until the edges turn golden and crispy. This step adds a beautiful depth of flavor to the curry. Once done, take them out and keep them aside. Now for the gravy, add a little more mustard oil. Toss in a couple of bay leaves to infuse the oil with their aroma. Next, add finely chopped onions. If you are aiming for that rich reddish gravy, sprinkle in a bit of sugar. Fry the onions on medium heat until they are soft and golden brown. Add in ginger paste and garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. Then go in with the roughly chopped tomatoes. Season with salt, turmeric, coriander powder, and some Kashmiri chili powder for that vibrant red color. Add a splash of water so the spices don't burn. Let everything cook down until the tomatoes are soft, the masala deepens in color, and the oil starts to separate. That's when you know it's ready. Oh, and don't forget to remove that bay leaf now. They have done their job. Take your boiled raw jackfruit that has been peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces and add it to the pan along with the fried potatoes. Stir everything well so the veggies soak up all those delicious spices. Pour in some hot water to create the curry base. Bring it to a boil, then cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. This gives the jackfruit and potatoes time to absorb all the flavors. Once the veggies are cooked through, add in the fried prawns, some chopped coriander leaves, and few chopped green chilies if you like a little heat. To finish, sprinkle in some garam masala and add a small dollop of ghee for that final touch of richness. Turn off the heat, cover the pan and let everything rest for 5 minutes so the flavors can mingle. Serve your jackfruit prawn curry hot with steamed rice, luchi or your favorite Indian bread. It's comfort food with a coastal twist, simple, soulful and oh so satisfying. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!